Pro Life Rep Your Club Fan Games na 2021 ele é propõe fino participate fan games ni bia ni the vibe qual is the salsa with club no ni no mo salsa travel to any microphone so no ejina stand in the city of God why am Chelsea feel the city of God for about participate ni so no salsa no sleep seven on the boys na feel so no Rep Life Simoni was so na sika phone was best form James na say yeah the thing na the boys no won na so na participate live the same group no was so na Stella Razors and the ni na so na represent don't a man of feed ya don ba ma eja e ma no mo so na ejira mo live so no e won na the conquest so no to am mu on ma the 2021 Life Fan Club games so no it me boss won na activity akoso no won na high class outside Robinson so no table tennis ludo and PlayStation game competition so no won so no call for the modern ball so no won snooker musical chess na competition so akoso won na headlines sponsor no the presidential court so na supported by you know this PSG Studios the man advertising Kumi Concept major pharmacy omunya so no etu amba bo ama video so no etimi ayaka fashion appreciation my friend number 0247 33 33 98 0247 33 33 98 0261 658957 Facebook no Akolive YouTube channel no Akolive GH akonya Edema Club bia ni operation dey free Edema Fan Club bia ni no so no abeso ba ebe register Akolive Your Club Fan Games Akolive 2021 Club Fan Games developing our community through our youth.
Oti nyoma echegu ewechi ana just say ne the Akolive Rep Your Club Fan Games interactions are abere donya yede ebro Akolive so no ana ene eje pinina yede another edition etumi yede ebro na senior woni mu ene on the 2nd of February 2021 Tuesday a brand new week ana ene yerema just say wow roko adwuma roko wow so activity bi ya no so no ore but make I say the Akolive Rep Your Club Fan Games. And then on the 27th of February, next month here, 27th, I will do 10 presidential court, you know. I Rep Your Club Fan Games at the bro. Now, senior won't even know, and not just a fan game, and as a fan games, at the various clubs are a war, a cropon, and in the Yerika, and boom, send na yapo, can you be for so? At me, I'm a cropon, and also crop mind development, you know. At me, Abba, and as a fan into my pa, at me, a franatima, at a Jumadina Sono. Developing our community to the youth, and as a developing our community as youth. In the name and any team at that program, no sir. It to me at the bro Akolive. So in the name of Medasi, sir, I bring it on ya and Unya Kwang. It to me a sharing Facebook Akolive. So na YouTube no Akolive GH. I bring it on ya now. Send you a shot say a couple of weeks ago no. When we say there are so many clubs, there's almost 15 clubs, and I participate. Akolive Rep Your Club Fan Games now. On the first day, no, the shot say with the interactions with these various clubs. The Simoni groups also now travel and see. You don't have some interactions. So also and sailors and the new vibrant and so on. The team no one have interactions. London Girls Conquest. When you are so no, the team no one Akasana Fins so no. TNS team no sleeping so no. You know Eddie in Kitao. Oh, Jumedi so now and then London Girls and Afin so no. The unlimited drama dog queens so no. You know about having interactions and so no. Oh, the Akolive so that things so no. Way forward of the club and as the program I day anymore. These two clubs so no. Then I just come. And I would to me, Areba, I show no so now things so no. Dipano instead club where interactions. And I had these two interesting clubs and so no ababe I have it Jumedi no so and I say come young sponsors abere no do nya wotumi supporting our show it na fin so no me say Akro Life Farm Games no say juma bi as juma ku bi adaroma ana yetimi de bro na the headline sponsor no do 10 group and do 10 presidential curtains so no someone say no one young headline sponsor supported by Akro Life and fin so no BG Studios onya ebo major pharmacy Siman Advertising Kumi Concept Adi States and fin so no Mimi's Closet onya etimi ebo ama ya di jumadi no bro Facebook store and I say on the 27th no the jumadi no ebetimi abro but and then no London Girls and I feel so no unlimited drama doll queens so sadi no mu edu every pem no betimi ebisa one I feel so what in chase and I say chemu kakra etimi abre ya hwefo and ye tiefo and I say kese enkomo bibi aso nya bre ne don share ni team of production na say enkomo me a me di jumadi erebe no Meri any Nana Kwame Amponsa Eddie. So now you part 1 and part 2. Part 2 no question and answers. Eddie so Odim Senia Yebe no Eddie Alpha. But as it stands now, Eddie, so far I'm the one group and it's me a bit the other group so no to me join but group I know why join me the unlimited drama doll queens. The unlimited drama doll queens. And then they did unlimited drama doll queens. So bet you say, it's no be remember what joining me. O she one more we cry. But at the for share there. Backside no cry be. Do we ma we am so. Ni nyina kan be. Yes, and I'm going on. Etimi fair na there. And then go some heavy. Now I want some heavy wa ha. There is a backside no and I'm moral support no. Na ye di jumedi no. About until I need the unlimited drama doll queens no. Bet joining me. Hana feels the interactions no at me at abroad. My can't share Facebook there. Akro Life. Compare you so. Well, like it. What's that? I feel so no. What to me at the comment. At me at the Abba show no so. I be answer no. Come at the Abba. Now I feel so no. YouTube no. Akro Life GH. Be answer no. Ebe to me. Come at the until no. The unlimited drama doll queens. Me also a PRO, so a president or a organizer and also a secretary. Me am bang na ono abet me actually me. Tene remember na bonidin na face no Jumedi odi our group no na face no positioner okra group no na nko twetwe no e da to aso e de ama we na bia kwa ba yeah nia ene you know odim ene positioner okra our group no
Pacho, your friend me comfort, me organizer.
The name Madam Comfort, and I want to go to me so no organizer. I demand unlimited drama doll queens. Unlimited drama doll queens. Obi baby says, "Boba na hini, Jumedi portable na Moody."
Oh, unlimited drama doll queens. Ye crazy, you know, 1 month ni, and like unlimited drama doll queens. No meaning nature say. We are into acting, but not just acting. Role be out the end to be we can play, yeah. And program be now per se yembra say embe sama or embe 7 ya de nyina yeah.
Okay, now just mo ye group be mo ye me a maka mo ho abomaja about in terms of acting and our things so we social service na ade mo boa amanfo ni ade and any jumadi unlimited drama doll queens mo ye. Okay, and then you know, organizer animal group on our WhatsApp account show me say, what's a brief description? Adama group our friend unlimited drama doll. Now, some of kind also what by one shot and check a couple of months ni, and go to me buy. Now, mami bisa, madam organizer, and him say group biano sabi let's say we are then. Now, mobile ya mo shot and check ye. We just say, answer na mo beka mo abo mo fa kwambe bi so kwambe so na we fire mo ka mo bo.
Like and now for girls baby you know many or more kasa per se anti group like we want to entertain the youth any idea you know young down for girls no and yet na tin ye discuss ye na ye adwuma and e kai ho bom na ye create unlimited drama doll coins
okay now just say more friends are money more than oh wow but so now can you organizer no and you know, some of us program as when you say, one Jumedi Nisi on answer, because one of them make sure say organization abaso who face challenges be
challenges the bebree because ebu one my girls no be from say ye kwa ha obi be ja no ye say ye obeba but edu so na fe wo friend a na me ba na me nya kwan na say nti bebree ba bibia ye entobo ase so benya ntobo ase na ne omo be kasa ye ebetinya ma omo obe influence omo ma omo be sinya ba.
So talking of challenges, and if you know so now, embra obia group bia one aims and objectives or more aim and more objective anything.
Ye aim ni say ye per se ye like younger da youth no ni educate yomo ye church yomo like senior ombetu omanamo afa senior omo ho pahin bia ni die sell so omo de mo like omo per se omo ye bibia they should have confidence no muntimi entimi ye omo ntie se eri nye ye enye se omo nya vem no na omo ye ne begina.
Okay, na just say and you know more empower me as a woman empowerment and then so and then aim I think say a very good initiative and you know what's the organizer adema the unlimited drama queens and what's in castle but I remember one of the members and I say the members nibi about the answer no moye me anko and I say my friend
yeah me anko
na just me am gina me be say me join na me ntimi mba
Debbie.
Okay now then am moye say me anko na man fa me man kan
oh like ye ni feel say you say me anko because ye nam girls bebre ye she da ni me man namfo what you say it ye hu ni say ye kweti no mbe ya na ebe ye good ebe ye we ya maye ti na me ye kweti no mbe anko a
obi be che obi be bisa e bia na merema no be ya hu meto say wo ba join me
ombe hu be ya hu meto sta obi ba me ya no ye betimi aka bibia ma ya te ye ho ase e bia se ne ye pe no berema ne mpe ne sa ti na ma ye fa me anko ha
na unzuzu obi be susu se bia nka merema be mu anka eja enti aseka kra mbaka nka se bia berema wo fie de and gonna settle issues so anka we to settle issues be and adwuma ni bi wona sabe ebro momia no so anka merema betimi ama mo sa support no
oh ye nga ya mi anya say ye ho merema bibia ye betimi aye
so what men can do women can do it better
yes ani
all right then comfort no ye organizer adema aye the unlimited drama queens no ana other some to just just females and as me and ladies na oshe mentions na osha on say ladies na ba woncha kama na yes merima kan wan kan ni group a me metu ma join but ne no merima kan wan just akoya we wosem e dia mame but we repair me say metu ma convince one kasa akọ achi na eja wo de menye patron kra ma won kra na aga eja meja atum nti anene nsabat mema mini abia ba ko ajoin me na fe nso no baby son I think a member of the group Nankopon sanu ye fe Nankopon de wabo bi no mu ye papa then no wo hwe film America sa dey just ya hwe eye wo hwe mora me edi wura mu na nso ama me film bitumi Erica sa ba ma me ba mi ni ana me bisa no the din bia wo ye member na say bia wo ka position bia wo group no ato din
Memede Natalia Hipsy ba do na frame ata
Natalia Hipsy
me shake Natalia Hipsy ba do na frame ata me ye member
okay Natalia Hipsy ampa ne din ene ne honam se Hipsy no so sabi esi so ankasa wa ono na a member of this group Nat mami bisa then am I joining that group
do no omo ka share me ni je won say do me person me part because about acting and I do me wo ho any event bia no so do koye we na from me yashing to that was the reason tell mama joining because you fear me yashing to no anytime bia am ready bia am from bia ye ko ha me ready any mama joining
okay na say na chema na ni acting ho ana afin so bet na fi asabe oren yashwe no I was say on join this group no na o make sure say bibia abe kama tini Natalia Hipsy they do na friend ata no and o tene ka but atama mami bisa we na fin so yenko ya nim amafo worishi ni yama pa na worishi o ye say group money say adi hu amode esimwani so say in the next 2-3 years mobile chair but in the next 2-3 years no mo bit ma achieve sa adi say adi hu amode esimwani so
oh yeah you bet me
okay bibi wa esemu nkra ebetu ama wa achieve sa
yeah bibi wa
then not and also what in a member of the Unlimited Drama Queens and also HM say nyama bebre and also won kwa woje di say in the next 1 or 2 years no wait me achieve nyama more this group and what you say nyama we achieve no so no we bit me aso a coupon in my so na fin so no once no ultimate at the about one bra but me ko on 27th program no so then you know organizer and another member of the group no so I join him in no ono be jina me say na anko gana be me wo me sabe nkun so na ogana be me wo ja say na na ono so mra ogana unwie wa adwuma e nti no mini abia so join me ma na bonidin the senior oni no onso a member of Unlimited Drama Queens what you doing
me pacho me the Bridget
okay Bridget senior not kind no so no ni get acting no I can't be joining this group. Na me just say acting on kwa na mu group mu ye eba na sawa me just say mu jina mo na so. Nyama bibiri so amoye. Then kwati na am I joining this group.
Oh okay. Me a member and I'm a friend. Enti omo friend me no mo ka kire me say me say. And I'm so okay. Me already know I'm into acting. Enti me say ya na me so okay. Me enti e ma me ni gin ho pa no. Drama no. Ya ka drama acting ne na se phone and I'm so no me like me yard nti me ni je pa say me join nti na me ni je say abasosa
okay nti no yeni abia ka so jim say ono so no about acting now are very very good young producers are more movie industry more a bunch of actress any role but will play we filmmaker role any role be able to be play bet me play and maintain the Unlimited Drama Queens but my organizer so now ahead of the program Ereba so Acro Life Rep Your Club Fan Games Acro Life Rep Your Club Fan Games and you know theme developing our community through the youth and as youth and everybody so oje this program about so no ebeboa
pa ebeboa
na akwa mention aje say mu group here mo Unlimited Drama Queens mbetimi aboa ama impuntu a Acro Life and afin so no ekopon youth education no akwa mention mbetimi afa aboa ma sampuntu na ba
oh say like bibia ebe koso bia no ye de ye ho ebe hyemu bi na we be free and be make sure say we will be present over there yeah na like ye wo discuss we be e say ye de be kan na aboa impuntu na adwenkyere bia ye de be kan na etimi atumpon yeah
okay but on the 27th of February Acro Life Rep Club Fan Games ba na osha activities na edoso na makoye mie na meshe mora amade mami na ube se mo backside ejina so na je say activities no betuma ye
oh yande bibia ye betumi aye bibia
o she
mo na mo se mo ma yen ye
na me hu eating competition me hu ampi na ube ukuru akosoro basic form no mumbu asase ne ngum
oh yembu
oh okay na eating competition betuma didi pa
betumi didi pa
o she dey do amfa na on the day one more betumi
mo ma me benku ene nkruma frɛ ya oh medi dodo
benku na nya ba ko
oh da bi man be ya 6
the cover that shows eating competition no and I target to chem say onya benku be 6 onya nkruma frɛ ni wele kakra beef kakra salmon kakra 2 fingers cut okra wo ma aja obetime di more na fence ni nkunimdi no aye the Unlimited team no so no but mama come here na me bisa no games no the important ana obetime
ampe snooker
okay
spade
oh okay
and like a warrior
oh the neighbor spy ya boy ya just anya man no kwa na ebo untu betuma bobi
kakra metumi abo
na oji se wo kakra no so betuma abo ama nkuni midi aba okay it's no say ono aba speed ani ampina mo nhwe na echi na mu obrusi abo se ni no origi wo shi wa na so konto e wona nkuni midi so but not ma mimi sa o uni abia kansa also eating competition there oh yeah the aduan be nko betuma the 6 then I'll betuma
me so have a smoker na betuma go pa me yare
okay betuma bo smoker
yeah
okay ana o she ampe a o be gazi obehuru beko soro baba fo me na je say o nze ni amaye
oh there be me ba yeah
obi ana tie fu na me kan mu nya hu ye o ni ame hu na ebia mu hu enti mama nat on nangro kakra bi e tie fu na ame hu no on ze ekono abat ase wo na na ame hu mu su mu bi na me say no nat ojana na so nat wo twa ho kakra na atie fu so ya nko ha me ni obi a say yes ni ama e wo ho nat bra na say na o hu se ne ko se ye ya oro hwe no se ye hwe ni e awa na me ni abia so be dan no kakra na echefu na unza na pressure pa ana watumi dia to me so awa he ni no pia so if free mo ana enye easy ejuma ni nyina aka ho bi ewo eti na atachim o se eba no snooker very very good on to beat me abo man konim de etimi ayewo nde but every time no me ko Facebook that so comment kaka etimi aba no makenkan e de amamo but se na woni part 2 no enja baba so part 2 ewo part 2 the question and answers me angasa questions na wo minim Javina whatever mama na be me hu na me ye di say mo akropon achi questions afa ye hu akropon ya anya de hu nti no one answer 3 points within 0 obi anu aba ho de 0 akọ me ye di say mo so anya de a only 0 bako nti nsania the unlimited drama dog queens me no won have a very nice interaction but then when me am kakra cause me sure and eja wode one by side eri me am nti no me shemu sa me so mu sa we as no nyamura support ni fie a ye o si behind any successful man a woman ana e won tene me answer my moral support na me di jumadi na bro me ka say Facebook Akro Live and our YouTube channel no so no Akro Live GHI no young interactions with the various clubs participate and I say participate the Akro Live Referral Club Fan Games na so no the bro na no e was anka ye the London girls it me issue with the unlimited drama dog but unfortunately the London girls no I mean they lockdown in here I want to feel London but the unlimited drama dog in the war unse one kasa which say group no and just any other group and I say any group be akeke they are into acting dancing and say one maiwa no eja one kasa nche one two maiwa from so and also with me I think say a very good thing also with me ni nyina aka obi ama ni ejumadi no so no etimi ekọ so a very interesting conversation and I men one area have it but me ko na akofa part 2 no area ba on say no group ba ko penalty on tie boni teto eja ya sorry na bibia so no etimi aye kama then mema me do a system do over a system okay to do what am I but purpose your 6 questions me am hu here na me nyaso abe me say na mu kura mu ra mo so mu ma me bi ora ni me na me to me won ya den wa say na mu ni na purpose ana wo paper bia e wo number wo so number obe I want question e wo ha e baby sa nti no ma me wo so na kakra na e ma game no ye fair nti ogana so be me ogana obe me wa ene ni dwumadi a obedi obe me wa bibia so no ebetimi aye kama nti no mama me sa se fi ni fa na me be ku wa be bi akoma group na na be bi akoma group na okay nti not uso mu amia na wudu kura ma me keke but your question number 1 akoma mu nyina what is the name of the main sponsor of Akro Live Fan Games? and the game started Basui. Main sponsor. Hey, Juma Kuben.
The time presidential. The time presidential court.
Correct. Me can't. So be know about this zero. I can also more work right so yeah, no one we be turning in a the time presidential court no. One of the headline sponsor at the Aqua Life Rep Your Club Fan Games and also. Not well was so mammy. Now about Kuni. Then you're gonna be now what we know if so question number. Not just saying that's a much as I if you want to go to my boy more power. Okay, then question number 2. Who is the assemblyman for Abuasa electoral area? Let me carry the anything. Abuasa electoral area. Here no assemblyman. That's my own. Then you know assemblyman at Abuasa electoral area. More Abuasa electoral area. But Mungo is also in account. Here no assemblyman. Assemblyman super where you ma man for be then you know assemblyman at Abuasa electoral. Me just open Juma. Do any more. Then anything obu well who cry what boy Juma. Then here no answer. Oh, time out that's well. Then the assembly member, an assemblyman Edema Abuasa electoral area, honorable Abeng Danso. Honorable, baby, I will be a Uber Juma, woman for the Juma, so I'm for any idea over to me within. The honorable Abeng Danso, and the assembly member Edema Abuasa electoral. And you know, but you last one, and then here no not to be Yamamana, not in Emma moral support, then you know, Natalia, Tipsy. Some kind well, if you one go to 1 about 3. If you one go to 1 about 3, then you know, question number 3, no, Misha, Mishum. Okay, 3 now, I'm ready, my mom. When the question number 3 is how many lecture areas are in a Kropong? How? Yeah, bro. Now you cried the one, my man. What 5 for me? 5. I mean, share. Yeah, correct. Let's just say, what cars on one well, if you want to go to a pattern, so wait to my chance, and any of 5 electoral areas, and I will problem. But the Miami bonus question. Miami bonus, if you mention, the amount of love, which made a troll actually. 5 electoral areas, somewhere 3. Obi amo ba ko mama if you me am mo find yam about you gift you know obi amo ba ko ogana rigwan afim bo wa
Abuasa lecture area.
Alright, in Abuasa lecture area not over kwa na
Impeniasi.
Okay, not to say
Impeniasi lecture area.
correct in Impeniasi lecture area nana me abia Osainbo lecture area. I mean, unlimited drama documents. Why heavy? Just with intelligence. And I know what a beauty with brains. And I know what to me a display. I just say, why go many masses? Never back on Kawana. Then they will check my bonus and I won't pay bonus. Mammy fancy. Now, so mental Jumedi no so. But send a mechanic, because the engineer, how can be a my headed out? Then, Jumedi need it, but answer na Yabacono. Meji will be a for 27. Then I'm the catcher, a Cropon youth. Sending in Aqua Life, the about what you say, Cropon development and original, young Mabuna, Yanso. Oh, be on the catcher you to any a foot to send beer. Rebecca and Cracker, no, in Chabia, I don't feel a bit over. I'm just asking for many of your foot to send me out of a Cropon youth.
I put the same Kakami want to say, you to follow my panel. I was say, oh, mom, when you daho. Na near in Pennyfono Mercy so the Dane, and Papa Moody on the moment near Dahona, on my follow that steps and one.
Okay, now, what's your program about? Then I when you just start programming about so Rep Your Club Fan Games about.
The patron, I many Japan.
Okay, now, the cracker, maybe I'll bet you our dog be in Sabi. Make sure young corner on them. Do bet you our dog, mammy, I will see a dog be a bit.
Okay, me, Chiami, mammy, Mr. Salome appear to, and I make Papa Mr. Aaron appear to, ɛna afei nso madam for paa Mr. Smith.
Mr. Smith, madam for pa. Okay, Mr. Smith, many of them for pa no echiao. Mr. Smith and so also about say comfort. What for to some other microphone?
Oh, youth no, me per se, me can't say if they are determined, so me per se munye bibia. They shouldn't listen to outsiders. Omu focus, no munye. Like omunya vim no munye never succeed. Yeah.
Na push a program everybody Akko Life. Also developing our community through the youth. Do you think then Abeka final they have a program everybody?
Oh, program ide many age pa say me wo movie. Me like me dreamer na me person me like me educate youth no. Nti ta kwenya beda ho no ma. Many age pa nti omo create group in so. Yankopon show mo pa. No ma like omo ye near market our group name.
Who chia wado for nko?
Oh, me chi obi odom bia.
Do be a odo aye comfort no ono so odo obi sa o chia papa but not be ba aha not it oye not ampa Natalia Hipsy opa not afutu be na odo be ma egopon you.
Oh, me de ma sama me de be ma youth ni say si Yesu si a yembra ye ho ase. Ni yendi na wama omudi kan waka bibi hye ya yentie ne yenso yendi umachi
na obechi adofu bi we obechi abusia adofu bi obechi
me de michi ama adofu nyina
adofu nya meka wana
na ye unlimited Ramadan coins michi mo ntima amba no so ye da wa se o mo ntima amba wan so awobai nso ye da wan so mo bai
ze ne yampia na ne no na atunso ato ama mo ntima amba London girls me je dis anyamwa ne no lockdown into me ambedu but yamfa na say unlimited Ramadan coins say ne wotumi be pue mu ama conversation ni in fact ninya yaga producer aga wo sama ye because the many estimate because which support no dey obi anfa ma me say won a ni na tell wa sansa na comfort na mini abia Bridget so our hard much say support no dey very very heavy ewa ma me da won ase so we pray mu about sani a woni mu no o chem so unlimited Ramadan coins na mu hu won asabe enye bibi boni they are into acting, they are into dancing, and they also support ladies, young girls ewo ekropon na pension obi anso na etimi achieve new goals and objectives when in yama ekropon yetimi ehwehwe we are trying to and as we want to develop our community and the best way to develop our community is through the youth then you know elders and ampanyi from work ekropon outside the ekropon money youth no ayan collaboration na pension emboam ema ukapman entimi emfa nentamapa emfamfra na sekese enkoma Dutan group and Dutan presidential court a part on our secretary enko enfama sansa major pharmacy and our sensono enko enfama Seaman advertising on sono and our enko enfama at this stage what the open so bolo ice cream give niama ediana just assorted niama who contact at this stage nsa ebetimi akebi sansa na kumi concept and so about in terms of graphic design na who contact kumi concept nsa ebetimi akana who graphic designing work no want to me aye ama kama sansa Mimi's closet ne no eba ne ntarepa obetimi a contact Mimi afin so wanya ntarepa etimi ase ewo na bibia so no akoso ede yama sansa na BHD Studios eba no eye music recordings and jingles ya contact BHD Studios so no na kotumi ko di ujuma no so no ewo na bibia so no enye kama enfama na sibiem enfama me team of production and Safari Joe and I feel one Kenya Akko Life team no and I say enko enfama yijino poku e bia wo bia no me chia sansa na crop ya santen so no metumi etia na happy birthday kasipa enko enfama Sela tewia na Sela Miki and I don't know na friend tewia yes Richmond inti amwa and so no intia and I say happy birthday enko enfama yankopon ka ho na onye o kase na penso ni tia biem enkoma ukapman ane ekropon so adeshi nyina midin ane nana kwame amponsa edi Akko Life Rap Club Fan Games developing our community through the youth muchumka